Thank you very much, Felton and Quinn. Thank you.
Leo and Quinn.
Yeah.
Last bag. We don't have enough.
I think we have to go to Walmart.
Show us what you got when the motherfucking beat drops.
Hello everybody, this is the pumping explosion challenge
Yeah.
or something like that.
For this challenge, we got these massive rubber bands, and we're gonna put them around the pumpkin, and we're gonna put it around the pumpkin until it just explodes, and then whoever makes it explode has to jump into the pool.
Yeah.
And it's cold out here. It's all
Where is
cold.
the lemon? Oh, with
Oh.
the lemon in the mouth.
And you have to
So
eat this lemon while you jump in the pool,
It's so
like
bad.
that.
Okay,
Ew.
I start. You ready?
Yep.
Quinn?
Go, Leo. Leo and Quinn.
Yeah. Mr. Pegor, if you watch this video, this is for you.
This is for you.
Yeah, yeah.
Algebra 2. Algebra 2 teacher. Oh, you.
Okay, like 50 bands on the pumpkin for now. So, a lot. Whoa! But these colors are so gay.
Huh?
These colors are
Oh,
so
yeah.
gay. We are not gay, okay?
We have girlfriends.
Yeah. Matilda and Chris.
Kristen.
Christian.
Don't get anywhere above this. Okay.
Yeah.
I just put on a purple. You did too. Does it look like it's starting to swell right here? Or no?
Okay, for now I think are like 100 bands, and now
New bag of bands, guys. We're out.
other 100 bands.
One bag.
I hope this is enough for explode the pumpkin, because if it's not,
We have to go buy more.
Yeah. Like for this challenge, $15 for the band. So, like,
Like and subscribe. We need the money.
yeah.
We're 4 YouTubers.
on, pumpkin.
Blow up!
What?
Go get it.
More viewers for this. Thank you very much, Welcome England. Thank you.
Last bag, we don't have enough.
I think we have to go to Walmart. For now, the pumpkin win, but
We don't have enough bands.
yeah,
We're gonna
need to go to Walmart.
We gotta go to Walmart and go get some more bands.
Thank you, everybody.
We'll be back soon.
In 1 second for you, so. I'm recording. Whoa! What the? Oh my gosh!
Oh my god!
Do you want some pumpkin?
No. Yeah. Yeah.
So, this is the pumpkin.
So yeah, all these rubber bands and the pumpkin blew up unexpectedly. Like it scared me. So now we both have to jump into that pool.
Okay. Thank you, Autumn and Quincy, for this.
Yeah, thanks to
stupid
Autumn
show,
and Quincy for giving us the idea for this.
Yeah, thank you very much. Really, thank you.
Now we have to eat this while we jump in.
Okay, now we are waiting for the swimming pool.
Set it up on the top part.
This is the lemon. Perfect. So, divide the lemon, please. And that is the.
Oh, here.
Whoa!
Here.
Okay. Lemon, we need to take off the t-shirt.
I'm jumping.
Okay.
Getting right back out. I'm getting right back out.
Oh, there is a problem.
Alright, ready? Bye.
Go, go. Oh, go. Oh, let's go. Oh my god. It's so cold. So cold. Really. Oh my gosh. Wow. Whoa. Yeah. We are alive. Yes, man. Thanks for watching.
Like and subscribe for more
And-
challenges like this.
Yeah, this is the Halloween challenge for
Pumpkin
with the
edition.
pumpkin, and for other challenge like this, write in the comments and like and subscribe.
Like, subscribe. We out.
Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.
Bye.